Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Tootie here. It is Saturday today and we got a busy morning. Every Saturday is usually a busy morning around here for us. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to quickly throw in something in the crock pot. So I had the ingredients for this thing. You've probably seen it. You've probably seen it in my thumbnail too. 3 ingredient crock pot pork chops or whatever. So all you obviously need, one, is your pork chops. Now I had these in the fridge overnight, but they're still a bit frozen, but it's okay. I'm gonna have to use them anyway. I don't got time to wait. You're gonna need ranch, salad dressing, dry ranch salad dressing, and you're gonna need cream of chicken condensed soup, and that's it. So pretty much all we're gonna do is put the pork chops in, throw the cream of chicken out, and then add the ranch and mix it all up and just let it go. I'm gonna let this go on low since it's early. I'm gonna let this go on low for about 6 to 8 hours or so. And usually I do things on high, but it's kind of early, so I figured it's okay if I do it on low. I have time to do it on low today, so that's what I'm going to do. Well, no, I might do it on high since they're kind of frozen. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go ahead and do it on high. If these weren't frozen, I'd probably go low, but since they're kind of frozen still, I'm gonna do it on high to make sure they get cooked in a timely manner. So I'm gonna open up these pork chops, rinse them off and clean them off, and then I'll be back when I'm ready to put them in. Alright, you guys, so I've got my pork chops rinsed off, so I'm just gonna throw them in here like so. I've got 9 pork chops. I'm probably not going to use them all since they're all kind of still frozen. Probably just use 5, and this will last for dinner for tomorrow too. So this will go, can you guys see this? Let me see, let me move back. Okay, so I have 5 pork chops in here. I'm going to take my cream of chicken and okay guys, so I thought I was recording when I did this, but my camera literally like ran out of memory, so I had to delete some stuff off of it. But all I did was put the pork chops in. I have 5, put them in the bottom, didn't add any seasoning. Then I poured 2 cans of this cream of chicken over, and then all I did after that was dump this ranch seasoning mix, and I just mixed it in with the cream of chicken, and that's it. And I got my crock pot set on high for 4 hours, and that's pretty much it. Sorry I didn't show you guys how I put this in there. I am gonna probably add some potatoes in here though, but yeah, that's how easy this is. It's just, you know, like I said before, I have like a super busy morning, so I wanted something that was quick and easy with just a few limited ingredients, and I had all these in my pantry, so I thought, let's throw this together. So I'll be back when this is ready, and I will throw some potatoes in here. I will. Alright, so I have some baby potatoes, just gonna throw in just to get an extra side or whatever. Just gonna throw them in on top. Probably in a couple hours I'll check them and mix them in, but they don't really need to be mixed in. They're gonna cook just fine like this. You don't have to add these potatoes, but I figure if I have one side done, all I gotta do is maybe chop up some cucumbers or some fruit or something, and then we're good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna let this go, and I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay guys, so our pork chops are all done. I've been sitting here for a couple hours since it's been done. Ooh, excuse the steam. And this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna just take a little spoon and I'm going to show you guys what it's looking like. So here is one of our pork chops. I haven't even messed with this because we've been out. Ooh, the steam. Just want to show you guys how tender this is. I literally can cut this pork with my spoon. So this is gonna be so delicious. Oh my goodness. I tasted a potato just to see the flavor. Excuse my family. I always say that, but anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I serve this up. This is like the best gravy ever. Best gravy for pork chops. Oh my goodness. Show you guys how we serve this up. in the next clip. Alright guys, so this is it. Of course I always have cucumbers and things on the side. I have this in a bowl. It's my pork chop and my potatoes. You don't have to add potatoes. You can put this over rice or whatever you like. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.